Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about how to clean travertine tile out by the pool or your deck or whatever, wherever you have it. So you could see that, you know, throughout the winter, and then when you start coming into the pool season and that sort of thing, you can see how dirty your tiles start looking. And ultimately what I want to do is get this super clean before the pool season really kicks off. And then I'll get a little bit of that sand to put in between to make sure all my patio is good and solid and it's basically in good shape, and maintenance is done. So as you can see, some of these travertine tiles get a lot of they get moss or whatever through the winter and that sort of thing. And so I know there's two schools of thought. One is you should seal your travertine. Buy a pool that makes it very slippery. I know they make anti-slip stuff, but at the end of the day, leaving it unsealed provides the most traction. It just does. At least that's what I found. So to clean it, they make travertine cleaner, they make all kinds of stuff. At the end of the day, the best thing that we found to clean this, and we'll show you it today, is a 50-50 mixture of water and bleach. So we're going to take our 50-50 mixture, we're going to spray. We'll probably start with this one because it's a little bit worse, but you can see the same blackness here, right? You can see that we're getting a little bit of moss and things like that. And then because it's such a porous tile, putting harsh chemicals on it, they say don't put harsh chemicals on it. They also say don't power wash it really close. Like you could power wash it a distance away, but because of how porous it is and soft it is, that you shouldn't really blast it with the power washer like on the tile to get it clean. So let's start off by, this is a 50-50 mixture of bleach and water that we did. Okay. And I'm just using a pretty soft bristled brush just to kind of work it in. You can see there's some moss in some of these porous areas here. If anything, it'll smell nice. Okay, we'll give it one more spray and then we'll rinse it off. Let it sit for a few minutes. And I know it's a lot of work to do on a tile when you're doing it like this, but what I would do is do a 50-50 in a bucket of water, and then get a brush that's on a stick that you can buy at any Home Depot for probably 10-15 bucks. And I would dunk it and scrub a bunch of tiles from standing position out on my hands and knees. I'm just showing you how it works for this. And so I would do that, and then make sure you rinse everything down really well. And you're ready to go for the season. So you could see, I mean, we gave it kind of one round of good scrubbing. We probably do the tiles that are more black a couple times just to get them as clean as we can. So what we'll do is we're going to show you, remember this one had some of the black like you see in this tile. So we'll do this one as well. We're going to rinse them both off. We'll put one more spray of bleach on them and let them sit for a little while, and then we'll show you an update. Okay, so we let this sit for about 10 minutes, and you can definitely tell the difference. So I'm sure Holly will put a side-by-side picture within this video, so you can see all the black is really kind of gone from it. I probably could do it a couple more times to get it even a little bit better, but you know, we're not perfectionists here. We just make things a little bit better at a time. So at the end of the day, this works really, really well. It'll also, like I said, it'll kill all this little moss stuff in between. You spray a little mixture, 50-50 bleach. I used it as a spray bottle today, but when I'm doing the whole deck, I'm gonna get a bucket, I'll throw in 50% bleach, fill it with 50% water, and I'll use a longer scrub brush and do it from a standing position so it's not so painful. But that's how we're gonna clean our travertine. We're not gonna seal it because we don't want it to be slippery. Let us know if you have any other tips, and we will see you next time. Subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.